Hey guys, my name is Nate. My wife's name is Jen. We come down to the coast quite a bit and fly kites. We got into flying kites about a year ago and have our collection. Today's a pretty windy day. We're in Port Aransas, Texas, and just wanted to show you some of our kites. Got some ground crabs, got some penguins. Call that the death spinner. People can get wrapped up in there sometimes. There are octopus kites, patriotic American flag set up. Today I don't have a lot of kites put up. The wind is pretty strong and I'm kind of worried about the ground stakes. Being able to stay in place. This is kind of what well, there's a whole bunch of stuff on this one, but we got some ground stakes and stuff in here, but yeah, here's our kites here. If you guys like this, if you guys like to subscribe, like the channel, you guys will get notifications when we're going to be going to the beach, and I'll post on there when we're coming back. Next weekend we're going to be here also, and hopefully the wind will be a little calmer, and we have another buddy that'll be joining us to fly kites also, and should have a pretty good amount of kites up then. Hope you guys like this. Have a good day.